Hey everybody, welcome back. I had to turn my fan around because I am like dying. Alright, so I have a nail haul, but I also want to show you my nail collection. Now I have some regular tips that you use for acrylic and all that, and they're just plain white, whatever. But these are decorative ones that you can put on. And the majority of these are from Kiss. And that's what I like. So I did get some new ones yesterday, and some I've had before, and this one I'm out of, so I had to get another one of these. So these ones are, they're medium length, and they're French, but they're more of a tannish color. And I think I have, yeah, here's the other one. These ones are called Everlasting, and the other one doesn't say that on it, but it's a different box, but it's the same colors. And then this one is more of a dull pink color, and that one I got more of. So I have two of these. So I have two of those, and these are from the Kiss Salon Acrylic. These ones are called Nude, and then the other new one I got is a Salon Acrylic, but they have the design on them. They have that on them. So those are a couple of my newer ones, and they're medium length, but they Everlasting French, never chips. These ones are not supposed to chip, although they have peeled on me before. They don't chip, but they peel. The white part comes right off. Okay, so here's the other ones that I have. These are Kiss. These are the extra long ones, and I don't know if they just came out with these or what, but when I went to the store yesterday, I didn't see any long ones I liked, so I have these ones left, and they are a tannish pinkish color, and they're called Gel Fantasy High Volume Gel, and it's this color. These ones are pretty, but they're way long, so I don't know if I'll put these ones on. This is more of a, if I'm going to do something special, you know, kind of thing. And then I have, these ones aren't from Kiss. These ones are from Salon Perfect. And none of these nails should be stayed on more than 2 weeks. You should take them off after that. These ones are really pretty. They have pink with the pearls on them. Those are way pretty. I might put these ones on next because I don't have any on. And I'll do nails with me. And this one's by Kiss. This is, it says long length, but they're not as long as these ones. These ones are extra long. And these ones are mediums. And these ones are long. So they're in between other ones. These ones are pretty too. I got these ones. These are the Jewel by Kiss. And then there's blue ones. These are pretty. So pretty. And then we have these ones. These ones are short. And this is called Impress Couture Collection. Those ones are way pretty. But you when you wear these, if you're gonna go out and you don't want to lose all your gel, all your little thingies, don't put your hands in the water. It loosens the glue underneath them and they come off. So these ones are pretty too. I like these ones, but these ones are short. And then I have the Kiss long length. So they're going to be like these ones, but it's in a different container. These ones are pretty too. I don't know if I'll put those ones on. Maybe. Those ones are pretty. And then lastly, I have these ones, and these ones I got at Dollar General, and these are called Pretty Woman faux nails, and they're so pretty. I haven't used them yet, but there's these ones. I love these ones. They're so pretty. And then these ones are way pretty. So there's my little nail collection so far, and I'll take a while to figure out what ones I want to put on, and I don't know, we'll see. But I thought I'd share with you my new ones that I got, which is this one, and then this one. So those are the new ones, and I got these at Walmart. You can get these at Walmart. I'm sure that Target and all those carry these too. And these ones I think are $7, I believe, or they're $5.95, something like that. So between $6 and $7, that's how much these are. And I should have got 2 of these, but they didn't have 2 of them. But I did get one of each of these. I knew I had one of these at home, so I've got enough nails for a little while. But anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the 200 subscriber giveaway, and we will see you again soon. Bye now.